Video yan!
So, nasa simbahan po kami right now. Kasi, magbabawas tayo ng kasalanan bago tayo
Correct. Correct. Kasali din kami dyan.
Ayun na.
Say hi, guys.
Video nice.
pretty, so pretty. Video.
Yes, video yan.
Video, te! Tama na muna ang paglandi.
Kaya nga, inuuna ang landi.
Nox. Naman na, masyado na. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi nga. Hi. Hi kayo. Hi. Vloggers yun.
Makinig kayo sa president.
Video talaga to for my vlog. Hi. Hello, hindi ko sure.
Panginoong Jesucristo, sinabi mo sa iyong mga apostol, kapayapaan ang iniiwan ko sa inyo. Ang aking kapayapaan ang inibigay ko sa
Ayan,
inyo.
tatapan mo lang sa
Bungayan mo ang aming pananampalataya at huwag ang aming mga pagkakasala. Pagkalooban mo
No. What? Hi muna kayo. Say hi, guys. Komta member yan. Ako na na. Hi, guys. Pwede ba tayo mag-apit? Video. Mikom. Anong saya? Anyong hasayo. Anong anyong hasayo? Documentation ko. Hi, guys. Nox, wait lang. Papatay ka. This is my vlog, guys.
Wala na.
Yung video nga yan.
Nagbablog mo.
Video yan.
Let us now hear an inspirational message from the Vice President for Academic Affairs of the Batangas State University, the National Engineering University of the Bourbon, Dr. Charmaine Rose I. Trevenio.
Transition yun.
Your touch
Hi, Ring!
Dumi na ng apron ko.
Hi! Hi guys, mga dati kong classmates. Nox. Dati kong classmates. Iniwan mo kami.
Your role as future nurses. This cupping, pinning,
and manage a household, she pursued her passion for nursing, which was not a respected.
Florence Nightingale was born on May 12, 1820 in Florence, Italy, into a wealthy British family. She was the second daughter of William Edward Nightingale and Frances Nightingale. She excelled in subjects like mathematics and languages, including French, to improve sanitation and hygiene in military hospitals, significantly reducing the death rate from 42% to 2% through her reforms. Her compassionate care
on stage, Santiago Maria Christian, Aces F. Sarmiento Laurelyn T. Sarmiento Chanel Jane E. Saya Saida Yvette M. Secreto Precious L. Sedano Angel Lina M. Silocho Francine. Sim Sofia Ella F. Sison Jacob Rian M. Solis Margaret C. Next, Sulit Arabella Grace B. Suma Trixie Jairel C. Taroma Rinerti Ann Ray A. Tibayat Princess Oshri Metan L. P. Johnson Noriasak Sam R. Tonga Princess A. Turco Aileen Therese C. Valenzuela Yesha S.
Called our very first return demonstration. How taking manual blood pressure.
This is the nurse's prayer. Dear Jesus, model and inspiration of the nursing profession, I know that when you ascended into heaven, you left the care of your sick to those of us whom you need to be faithful to the calling, so that I can do always the things that you want me to do and in the way you want me to do them. Grant that my voice may be gentle, that my hands
to pass my life in purity, to the welfare of those committed to my care. That's it.
You may now be seated.
Feels and so long, I know I've come. I can't wait to go home.
One, two, three, go.
Sama na sa video. Sama ako sa video.